Hello. Guess what, grasshoppers? It's story time. My favorite time. Woo! Welcome, Miss Lauren.
Thank you, Grasshopper. Thank you for always being such a good buddy. So, if you want to read the story, let's sit over here. Everyone else, let's get very comfy. Make sure you're sitting down. Put on our listening ears. Maybe take a deep breath. This is a very sweet book online that I found. And I'm going to go all the way to the beginning. It's called Odd Bird Out by Helga Banch. It's said that ravens make poor parents, but Roberts were first rate. They fed their fledglings, groomed their plumage, and told them bedtime tales, and taught them all a raven needs to know. But I'll groom my own plumage. Thank you very much, said Robert. Looks like this one right here, the colorful one, is going to be Robert. For a raven, Robert was downright chirpy. Chirpy in the egg, chirpy as a chick, chirpy as he flew through flight school. Robert was happy as a lark and wanted all the ravens to share his enthusiasm. He adored dancing and dressing up. He cracked jokes and sang. Sounds like my sweet peas friends. How fun. Come fly with me. Yeah. But dear, oh dear, the creaky, croaky cawing. Didn't he know he was out of tune? Maybe he wasn't that great of a singer, but that's okay. It looks like he's having fun. And his jokes were juvenile. I think that means they're bored of his jokes. They don't think it's funny. But he looks like he's having a good time. That appropriate and prescribed, the only possible clothing for a raven was black. Looks like Robert's very colorful. After all, ravens knew best what to wear, how to sing, who to dance with. They knew precisely what was proper, what was fun, and what was not. It was proper to make fun of Robert, but he simply went on being Robert. Look at, he's dancing with a squirrel. I like how brave Robert is being himself. On concert night, appearing as a peacock, he belted out his raucous peacock song. The ravens were fed up to their beady black eyes. Scram! Skedaddle! You're a scandal! They squawked. Now scoot! Sadly, Robert packed his bag. He farewelled his family. He flew far away. Oh, those didn't seem like kind words. He looks really sad right now. I hope he's okay. When he could flap no farther, he flopped in a tree. Ah! He sang himself a lonely song. La, 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 la. A bird turned up to listen, and then another. and another. Flocks of birds alit and listened. More! More! Encore, 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 they cried. That fired him up. Robert was so pleased, he sang them another song. He spun a yarn and served up a joke. He switched his clothes at the drop of a hat. Ta-da! The birds were enchanted. They cheered and clapped. Robert was radiant. This was the life. He toured about in his finest feathers. His performing career took flight. Wow, that's a lot of birds. It looks like they're really enjoying his performance. I'm so happy Robert's happy again. Meanwhile, back on the branch, it was quiet. It was calm. No one confounded the concerts with cracked notes or quirky footwork. There were no jarring jokes, no silly stories. There were birds in black as far as the eye could see. The music was nice, but there was no cawing. But really, they wondered, should life be so boring? I wonder if they actually miss their friend. Then one concert night, a flashy bird called Bobby Raver appeared on the stage. He crooned and cavorted and yakety-yacked. Hey, this bird was better. The ravens laughed and applauded. Bobby was a dazzler. Ooh, it looks like they like this performance. Bobby became a star of the tree. The ravens would dress up for his concerts in the most outrageous, outlandish plumage. Funny though, Bobby reminded them of someone. Who could that be? That was Bobby's secret. The end. Bobby. Who do you think Bobby was, friends? If you think you know, maybe you can guess and send me an email and let me know who you think Bobby secretly was. I hope you enjoyed this story, and I hope you all continue to be colorful and be yourselves. And I will see you for next story time.